Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting the capture now. Plug your USB mic or headset into the controller or console, then open Settings Devices and Connections Audio to select the mic. Once done, set the chat/party mix so game audio and voice balance correctly. This prevents clipping and keeps voice audible. Also adjust mic monitoring and lower mic level to around -6 to -12 dB to avoid peaking. These first steps let your Xbox accept clear, recordable voice input before you capture footage. Now record using the guide. Press the Xbox button, go to Capture and Share, and start recording or use Record That for recent clips. Make sure you enable the option to include microphone audio in capture settings so your voice is embedded. If you need cleaner audio, use an external mixer or headset monitoring to set levels while recording. This gives consistent volume and reduces background noise. Once finished, check the capture editor to trim unwanted parts and confirm microphone audio is present and synchronized with gameplay. Finish by exporting the clip to OneDrive or a USB drive at original quality so you can edit on PC. In your video editor or DAW, separate the game and mic tracks, normalize levels, apply noise reduction, and realign any drift. This improves clarity and sync. If you find no mic audio, first recheck Settings Devices and Connections to confirm the selected input, restart the console, and test another headset to isolate hardware faults. With those steps, you'll reliably capture clean voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.